Join me as I dive into the future of YHC stock and try to predict what's next for this investment. YHC stock has been making headlines in recent times, with its market activity sparking a lot of interest among investors. As we take a closer look, it's clear that this stock has been on a wild ride, with prices fluctuating rapidly over the past few months. So, what's behind this volatility, and what can we expect from YHC stock moving forward? One of the biggest challenges YHC stock is currently facing is market volatility. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, and YHC is no exception. With prices changing rapidly, it's become increasingly difficult for investors to make informed decisions about their investments. Another challenge is investor sentiment. With so much uncertainty surrounding YHC, it's natural for investors to be nervous about its future prospects. This nervousness can lead to a decrease in investor confidence, which can ultimately affect the stock's performance. Furthermore, YHC is also facing stiff competition from its peers. With so many other stocks vying for attention, it can be tough for YHC to stand out from the crowd and attract new investors. And finally, YHC is also affected by broader economic trends. As the global economy continues to evolve, YHC stock will need to adapt in order to stay ahead of the curve. When we look at the factors influencing YHC stock, one thing that stands out is industry trends. The industry in which YHC operates is constantly changing, and the company will need to stay ahead of these trends in order to remain competitive. Another key factor is financial reports. YHC's latest financial reports have been closely scrutinized by investors, who are looking for any signs of weakness or opportunity. Expert opinions are also playing a significant role in shaping investor sentiment around YHC. With so many different opinions and predictions floating around, it can be tough for investors to know what to believe. And finally, macroeconomic factors are also playing a role. With interest rates and inflation continuing to rise, YHC stock will need to navigate these changing economic conditions in order to succeed. So, what does all of this mean for YHC stock moving forward? One thing is certain, the future of YHC is far from guaranteed. However, if we look closely at the signs, we can start to piece together a narrative about what might happen next. For example, if YHC can successfully adapt to changing industry trends, we might see a boost in investor confidence. Alternatively, if the company's latest financial reports are weaker than expected, we could see a decline in the stock's value. And finally, if expert opinions continue to be bullish on YHC, we might see a surge in investment. Whatever happens, one thing is clear: the future of YHC stock is going to be shaped by a complex interplay of factors, and investors will need to stay vigilant in order to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, the future of YHC stock is uncertain, but that's what makes it so exciting. With so many different factors at play, there are a multitude of possible outcomes. As investors, it's up to us to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. By doing so, we can make more informed decisions about our investments and stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on YHC stock in the comments below. If you're looking for more stock insights, be sure to check out my other videos for more expert analysis and commentary.